Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zani again. Thank you so much for clicking, and on this channel I'll be doing hair content videos, beauty, lifestyle and vlog, so please stick around. So guys, I'll be going ahead to open my tripod. Sorry I had to do a voiceover because there is so much background noise. So guys, you can't imagine how excited I am to be filming this content, because I've been struggling a lot to film a content since I had no tripod. I totally had nothing except my phone. So guys, as you can see, the first box has a tripod and a phone holder. So I am struggling. I've never used a tripod before, so I don't know how it works, but we are going to figure it out. So the second box came with the microphone, as you can see. It also has a light and two camera and phone lenses. Almost forgot to tell you guys, I bought my tripod at Jumia online and it costed 2,678 shillings, and it also took 2 days to be delivered. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, then please take a minute to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post. Thank you. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be posting more content often now, so please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.